With the optional Flatbed Scanner Dock, you can combine a compatible Epson document scanner and flatbed scanner into a single device. This allows you to scan thick or oversized originals that won't fit into your document scanner and control both scanners using the same software. To see compatible scanner models, visit the Flatbed Scanner Dock webpage. You will need your document scanner, the flatbed scanner, and the scanner dock and its parts. Unplug your document scanner's power and USB cables. Lift the rear of the scanner cover up, then slowly open the cover until it releases. Slide the hinges into the scanner. Then hold the scanner dock's flatbed cover vertically and attach it. Slide the flatbed scanner into the dock until it touches the back. Attach these pieces, making sure to align this edge into this slot. Then attach the screws using a coin or screwdriver. Plug the micro USB cable into the scanner. Lower your document scanner onto the dock. Align these pegs with these holes, and then slide the scanner forward to lock it in place. Attach the brackets and screws to the back of the scanner and the dock. Connect the scanner dock's power cable to the scanner. Connect one of the USB cables to the scanner and the dock. Connect one end of the document scanner's power cable to the dock and plug the other end into a power outlet. If you have not yet installed your document scanner's software, download and run the software package from the Epson support site. Then connect the other USB cable to your computer and the dock. Close your document scanner's output tray. Open the flatbed scanner cover. Place your original face down on the scanner glass. Then close the flatbed scanner cover gently so that your original does not move. Start Epson Scan 2. Select Scanner Glass as the document source setting. Select other scan settings as necessary. Then click Preview. Adjust the scan area as needed. Then click Scan. Open your scanner's input tray. Slide the input tray edge guides all the way out. Pull out the output tray and output tray extension, and open the stopper. Depending on the length of your originals, you may need to adjust the position of the input tray, output tray, or stopper. Or you may need to close the output tray and use the stopper on the flatbed scanner cover. See your scanner documentation for more information. Insert your originals. Start Epson Scan 2. Select ADF as the document source setting. Select other scan settings as necessary, then click Scan.